So guys, hello! Welcome to Findstv Hobby Homeschool. This is Carmina. I hope you're all doing well today. And yes, you have come to the channel Findstv Hobby Homeschool. Yes, how do you start in a situation that is so chaotic like this room? So just start something at home. That has always been what I believe in, like, just starting, right? So trying your best to start a spot where you can, do a routine or start your schedule. It doesn't matter if you're doing this spot and you feel like this has been giving you a lot of, worries, stress. Then I think that's the priority to start on, right? So again, this is the day. This is how my day will go. So yun guys, now that I need to go to the farm, I'm not yet finished with this, so I have started a routine already. Like, I have done my early morning exercise, and then I prepared breakfast, and now I started this packing. It's not yet done, but I need to go to the farm, so that's part of the routine. So now you're creating a flow, so that's the most important thing. Even though if it's unaccomplished yet, you can always go back to it and finish it. It's totally just keep doing things. Before anything else, guys, Findstv Hobby Homeschool is a channel for lean eating. So if you're interested in developing a love for vegetables, fruits, nature-based foods, this is the channel. And also, I have been doing this study on hacking our cravings, healthy living by doing physical activities, exercise, yoga, which I practice. If you're interested, I do have a lot of videos, live streams of yoga, and of course, a love and beauty of home choring. So guys, just start something at home. Thank you guys. After going to the farm, we went home to prepare food, and then just preparing a sliced zucchini on a bed of thinly sliced cabbage slaw, and then I'm just gonna quickly microwave this, really to wilt for 5 minutes. And then this one is somehow like our rice carbohydrates. So if you want like this, like lean eating, this is the channel. Preparing using some of the vegetables from the farm that it took us like 4 months to grow. A lot of work, guys. But anyhow, if you are not into vegetables, maybe
buying instant food from the grocery. This is an idea like having a lean tomato sauce on your bowl and then bed it or top it with a plain cheese, cheddar cheese, and then microwave it and then dip your chips. That's a start in introducing your vegetables to your diet. And then if you want soda, maybe buy a small can of it and more ice, and you don't even have to finish the entire can, and then just enjoy it with your chips. Yes. And then I craved for this ice cream that I saw in the fridge. Everybody enjoyed it, I guess, and I made a version of mine. Like I got a third, one third, a very five, one third of this, like very little, like 3 to 4 or 5 tablespoons of coconut cream. Put it in a jar, and then I just wanted the taste of ice cream, but still I'm using coconut cream. So I used this hazelnut spread with the full calories in it, but still have the enjoyment of the chocolate taste, and then stirred it into the mixture. Nothing else. It's just coconut cream and the hazelnut spread. And then stir it well. And then I transferred it to a vessel that is safe to put in the freezer, guys. You can also, cover this with foil if you wish, or if you're gonna have it like chilled for 30 to an hour, it's fine to eat it. And then a lot of things to do at home. One of them is taking a break also when you're tired. Just reading, sitting down, resting, or even going out of the house is fine too. Yeah, I'm reading a vegetable seed. And then this one is the chips I'm making with the dim sum wrapper, toasted with pomegranate, with sprinkle of cinnamon, sugar, toasted for 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 degrees Fahrenheit until just crisp and toasty. That's your low-calorie chip. Now, one huge square of the dim sum wrapper is 105 calories. Depending on the topping, it would play between 90, 105, 110. You can munch like a whole square of that. That's good if you're wanting to abstain from eating chips. And yes, doing a lot more chores at home. Yes. Carrying out things because we needed to declutter the house. And then vacuuming it. This one I lined it up with a paper before I put the vacuum on top of the beds, because there's no way I can, have this short cord to vacuum the surface of the bed. Yes, if you have a small one, then that's the best size to use. As you see. And this one, I had to bring some snack in the farm, and then a dessert. I am always ready with a dessert, a fruit with a little bit of banana, pomegranate. Yes, I always have that on hand. Whenever I'm hungry during or after my intermittent, sometimes I still get hungry. So I always prepare vegetables. So sharing with you the beauty in in having discipline in eating, guys. So this one are my small vessels that I use as to share with you to eat in portions. No deprivation, but tasting and appreciating. So this one, as before I eat anything, guys, I try to look at the food and look at it in all angles and gauge myself how hungry I am. So I just have a taste.
To eat before eating, we eat with our eyes. I know food is beautiful, sumptuous, it's nourishing, it's entertaining at the same time. It's medicine, isn't it? But it's also, when it's too much, it's bad for us, right? So just try just start training yourself to taste first. Now I know already the taste of cupcake. I like it, but I try to think if I'm going to get another one. I try to pause and just okay, it's sweet, it's yummy, but I have learned to really learn to appreciate the taste of whatever it is on the spoon. So you have a choice. You can have this. You can have this. You can have a jumbo one, a bigger container, a larger type of cupcake, bigger size, even more. You always have a choice, guys. Alright? So just start something at home. Try learning to taste and appreciate food so that you will know, should I give in to this too much sweet type of food, or can I just at least taste, appreciate? You can have a bigger portion, but maybe take time if you want another serving. Okay, so guys, take care. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye. Now that I'm done eating, I'm going to close this one and put this back where it belongs, because there's still tomorrow, the next time to have this, and maybe even share it with your loved ones. Don't finish them all right? Just start, guys, passing on the energy of eating mindfully, learning to taste and appreciate food instead of just eating, munching on it and putting more in your food, in your mouth, not thinking about the health effects of it eventually when you eat too much of this. There's always a next time to eat it. Remember that. All right, okay guys, bye.
So just try having more fibers, fruits, nature-based food in your diet. And this one is a portion control hack that I am starting. If you wish to do so, I have a cut up of small pieces of just tasting portions or morsel of any pastry that you like. You can bring it in your, stash it in your bag or in your office meal or, school kits, lunch kits. I always have that, so if you can start on with that. So this one I wanted of course I wanted a cake, so I just use whatever is in the fridge, and I have this. I got a little portion of the frosting, and then
Guys, the dessert is not as pretty, but trying to make a low calorie version, just a lesser calorie version, you get me? That's just the excuse. Alright.
I tried to melt it on the microwave and put it on my very lean custard mixture, which I will tell you in a while. So this one, guys, is so this one I just topped on with the cake crumbs, not finishing the entire cake, just to have a little of the taste, and I have the frosting underneath, right? So more of the lean custard, and then lesser, at least a little taste of that. Thank you again, guys, for watching. Always remember, just start something at home. Try to build a routine. Thank you, guys. Bye.